Good day everyone, special to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos and I'm Lemuel Dahan, and this report will explain the intact buoyancy and how ship stability will be affected when it is breached. Intact buoyancy refers to the buoyant force provided by the undamaged, watertight portions of ship's hull. This buoyancy is crucial for maintaining vessel stability and ensuring it remains upright and afloat under normal operating conditions. When ships' hulls breach, this intact buoyancy is compromised, leading to significant effects on the ship's stability. Intact buoyancy and ship stability. In a vessel with intact buoyancy, the hull's watertight compartments prevent water ingress, allowing the ship to float and maintain stability. If the ship hills due to external forces like wind or waves, the center of the buoyancy shifts, creating a righting moment that helps the vessel return to an upright position. The behavior is a key aspect of a ship's intact stability, which ensures safety and operability under normal conditions. Effects of hull breach on stability. Number 1. Change in draft and freeboard. Flooding increases the ship's draft, how deep it sits in the water, and decrease freeboard, the distance from the waterline to deck. A reduced freeboard can lead to deck immersions, increase the risk of capsizing. Number 2. Heeling. If flooding is asymmetrical, the ship may heel tilt to one side. This can be dangerous, especially if the metacentric height GM becomes negative, indicating loss of stability. Number 3. Reduction in metacentric height GM. Flooding alters the ship's center of gravity and buoyancy, often reducing GM. A lower GM means the ship has diminished ability to right itself after heeling, increasing the risk of capsizing. Number 4. Free surface effect. Water in flooded compartments can shift as the ship moves, exacerbating instability. This movement can be further reduced. GM can lead to a dangerous condition known as lull, where the ship rests at the constant heel angle. And the last is loss of the intact buoyancy. The compromised compartments no longer contribute buoyancy, reducing the overall buoyant force, keeping the ship afloat.